Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports roundup.
One game into the new Jamaica Premier League season, and Craig Butler and the Jamaica Football Federation are seemingly at odds over the registration of players to Veer United FC. Butler, who signed a 10-year agreement to manage football operations at Veer United FC, on Sunday told reporters that up to 14 players from his team were missing from his matchday squad due to administrative issues. The outspoken Butler also noted that fans are robbed of a proper football experience on Sunday at the Wembley Centre of Excellence as Veer United went down 4-1 to Montego Bay United. Butler took a swipe at the JFF in his post-match comments, and in particular competition's chair Ian Kemble.
It hurt me a lot because I wanted to give the people of this community really, really good football, and we just didn't have all our pieces. And going forward, you're going to see it if the JFF will allow us to just have our registrations complete. We've done everything that they've asked us to do, and we're waiting Mr. Kemble to just allow us to just register our players.
TVJ Sports understands that the issue with registration surrounds a number of Phoenix Academy players who are joining Veer United as international transfers, having allegedly terminated their contracts with their previous clubs. Having narrowly missed out on playing top-flight football last season, Racing United FC is finally set to make their Jamaica Premier League debut when they face Waterhouse in the second of a doubleheader tonight at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex. The St. Catherine club, who were beaten on penalties by Limehall Academy in the Jamaica Football Championship second leg semi-final last year, were 2-1 winners on aggregate over FC Reno this season, which guaranteed them a spot in the JPL for 2024-2025. Manager of the team, Nigel Walker, says while making it to the Premier League is a dream come true, the aim will be to keep their place in the nation's top flight.
The ad is against us. For the last 2 years, teams that have been promoted have gone back down to their respective league. So we want to ensure that we are the change. So we are putting things in place to ensure that we're not one of those teams that just promoted, play a one season and go back down. No, we want to be a part of what they call the big guys. So we are putting things in place to ensure that we can stay up. So far, it's looking very well in terms of some practice game that we have played. We have shown that we have the quality to at least match up and play amongst the big guys.
Meanwhile, Jason Henry is set to make his debut as Harborview's head coach as the Stars of the East take on the other promoted team, Chapperton Maroon, who are making their second appearance in the JPL. The opening game is set to kick off at 5 p.m. with the second match at 7:30. And finally, the St. Lucia Kings jumped to second in the Caribbean Premier League table after recording their second win in a row at home, beating the Antigua and Barbuda Falcons by 26 runs at the Darren Sammy Stadium on Sunday night. Batting first, the Falcons were held to 152 for 8 after their 20 overs. The scoring was pushed by a lower order fightback from David Weezer, who top scored with 43 from 26 deliveries, as the Kings were 87 for 5 at one stage. In their run chase, the Falcons struggled throughout before eventually getting to 126 for 8 at the end of their 20 overs. Chris Green returned to top score with 48, while Shamar Springer made 23. Jamaican Fabian Allen only made 2. Player of the game, Cara Pierre, claimed 3 for 24. And that's it for your Midday Sports. I'm Renardo Brown.
Thanks, Renardo. And that's the Midday News Package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.